Hi everyone, this is Chelsea from chelseasmessyapron.com. Today we're making bakery-style caramel-filled chocolate cookies. These are my absolute favorite cookies, and I have so much fun making them with my boys. We make them almost every Sunday, and we have a blast doing it. So you're going to start with a large bowl and cream together room temperature butter, white sugar, and brown sugar. You're going to stir it until the mixture resembles peanut butter. Next, you're going to beat in an egg, sour cream, almond extract, and vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, we're going to combine our dry ingredients, the flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, special dark cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Stir to combine. We're going to add in 2 kinds of chocolate chips, miniature chocolate chips and regular chocolate chips, and stir it once more. We're going to combine the wet and dry ingredients and mix until just combined, being careful to not overmix the batter. We're going to cover this dough and chill it for at least 30 minutes, up to 1 hour. Now we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a large tray with parchment paper or a Silpat liner. Measure rounded tablespoonfuls for each cookie and then roll an unwrapped Rolo into the center of the dough. Make sure the Rolo is completely covered by the dough. Place the cookies 2 inches apart and add a sprinkle of salt to the tops of the cookies if desired. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees or until just set. You'll know they're done when the top is no longer glossy. Be careful to not overbake these, as these are best slightly underbaked. When they come out of the oven, you can press a few more chocolate chips into the top and add a little bit of salt if desired. For more recipes, visit chelseasmessyapron.com.